This movie will show how to apply remeshing with geometrical zones. In particular, we will make smaller mesh elements inside the box and inside the sphere. Let's make a working folder for HOMARD module and then start SALOME. Now, let's activate Geometry module and make a box. Switch to Mesh module. Create the mesh container with hexahedral mesh parameters. Click Apply and Close button for it, and then compute the mesh in the data tree. Okay, that's it. Export the mesh into a MED file. And then activate HOMARD module for smart remeshing. Create the basic case using the temporary folder and the MED file that you made just before. Now, add the next iteration intended for remeshing with the box. Rename n+1 mesh. Click New Remeshing Hypothesis. Select Zones and call Adding a new zone. Let the new zone be the box. Set the dimensions like here. And click OK buttons in all the dialog boxes. Here you are the new zone in the data tree. Compute and publish the iteration that you just created. Now let's add one more next iteration for remeshing with the sphere. Let's go the same way as before. But select a sphere option in the zone type and type the dimensions for the sphere. Compute and publish this iteration as well. Now let's go to Mesh module and see the results of remeshing. This is the initial mesh we had. This is the first next iteration remeshed inside the box. And this is the second next iteration remeshed inside the sphere. Let's now apply a clipping plane to see the mesh inside it. Activate Auto Apply and drag the plane nearly this way. You see that inside the mesh there are the box and the sphere, remeshed with smaller elements. That's all. Thank you for your attention.